Why do hiccups exist at all? They don't. Not anymore. Hiccups are a fossil reflex, still running, totally useless. 400 million years ago, our ancestors had gills and lungs at the same time. To push water over gills, they used a fast throat close move. Suck water in, snap the airway shut. That exact muscle spasm is still coded into your brainstem. When something irritates your phrenic nerve, fizzy drinks, eating fast, a temperature change, the ancient circuit fires. Your diaphragm slams down, your glottis snaps shut, you hiccup. The sound is just air hitting a closed valve. Modern lungs have zero use for this move. Your brainstem genuinely does not know the gills are gone. It has been running dead code for 400 million years. You are haunted by a reflex from before trees existed.